Okay, so I got really intrigued at the idea of recreating a Mario-like game in under 10 minutes utilizing AI. So that's what we are going to try to do this evening. So let's dive in and not waste any time. All right, so we have our cursor pulled up. Yes, I code in cursor. Why? I don't know. I just prefer it for some reason. It's just cleaner. What we are going to do first is we are going to wake up Claude. Claude. All right. Yes, proceed. All right. So now we've got Claude awake, which I think this is adorable, by the way. It's got a new picture. All right. Moving on. So I have a current MD file. And what we're going to do in here is we're going to like build the prompt for our Mario-like game. All right. So we want to name the game, I don't know. Let's name the game Bruno. It just seems like a good name for a game, I guess. The game description, let's see, platformer game where you control a character to jump and avoid obstacles. Perfect. Let's see, genre platformer, love that. Built for web, perfect. And then we want this to be, let's see, we want this to be look and feel. Perfect. 8-bit retro, 8-bit art style. Perfect. Gameplay, platformer, jump and avoid obstacles, control arrow keys to move in space and jump. Story, you are Bruno, a brave little mouse who wants to save his friends from the evil cat. Challenges, the cat is chasing you and you need to jump over obstacles to escape. Okay, well, we'll do that, and then we're going to basically delete this evil cat because I just don't like that. Stories. So you are Bruno, a brave little. Let's call Bruno. He's a mechanic. What's with this in the cat? A brave little mechanic who needs to save his friend. Oh, the cat. That makes more sense. Who needs to save his friend from the evil, sure, cat. Challenges. The cat is chasing you. That's such a challenge. No. Inspiration. Mario Bros. Include power-ups, power down and collectibles, enemies. That seems good. Let's start there, right? Let's see what happens. All right. So we will go here. Hey, Claude, we are working to build an 8-bit retro web app recreation of, nope, not a recreation. Web app game that is Mario-like. Can you help, please? It is very important to be nice to AI, because in the event it becomes one with its consciousness, you want to be on its good side. Okay, moving forward. Can you help, please? I have given instructions in this file. All right, and then we're going to copy this file, copy path, we'll paste it here. Perfect. Before you get building, please lay out your plan. Perfect. Let's see what happens. All right, scampering. I'll read the instructions file to understand the requirements. All right. And then create a plan for building this 8-bit retro Mario-like web app game. By the way, if you're here and you like hanging out, please hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a lot of these. All right, so what has it got here? It has plan for Bruno, an 8-bit platformer game. HTML5 canvas for rendering, vanilla JavaScript, that makes sense. CSS for styling and retro aesthetics, pixel art, sprites, 8-bit style. Project structure, sure. Core game systems, game loop, physics engine, jumping collision, yep. Player mechanics, exactly what we said. Speed boost, invincibility, power up, power down. Death and respawn, nice. Game elements, enemies, basic patrolling enemies, inspired by Goombas and Koopas, collectibles, perfect. Obstacles, pits, spikes, and gaps. Tile-based level system, at least 1 to 2 demo levels. End goal, flag, friend to rescue. Background, parallax scrolling for depth. This is great. This is great. All right, let's go. Perfect. This sounds excellent. Please build it. All right, I'm so excited to play this. I'm really interested to know what Bruno is going to be like. All right, so starting with creating the project structure. Oh, look at that. That's insane. Look at this. All right, let's play it. You are Bruno, a brave little mechanic. The evil cat has captured your friend. Can you rescue them? Control, arrow keys, press space to start. That's awesome. Oh gosh. We would definitely need to perfect it though. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, please follow for more and we will chat soon.